All right. The party's ready on last name Asani. Uh-oh, I can't hear anyone.
Oh, wait.
Yes, Your Honor, I was muted. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I saw your mouth move. I'm like, uh-oh,
Yeah,
I'm in trouble.
I'm a ventriloquist.
All right, let's do it. I have case number 134554361. Let me have the attorneys place your appearance on the record, starting with the prosecuting attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Stephen Carr for the people. P number is 83623.
Good afternoon,
Thank
Your
you,
Honor.
and good afternoon, counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeffrey Schwartz, P32076, on behalf of Kevni Asani, who's present here, and we agree to go forward by Zoom.
Thank you, counsel, and good afternoon to you. And Mr. Asani, let me have you place your name on the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Kevni Asani.
All right, good afternoon, sir. How are the parties proceeding? Today is the date scheduled for formal hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
How
Well,
are the
actually, it's a
parties proceeding?
motion. Actually, it was a motion to set aside the judgment, and then I was told by the clerk's office to fill out a form saying the motion for withdrawal of plea, which actually there was never a plea. And then for some reason, a magistrate denied the motion to withdraw the plea, but I zoomed in on the 16th, which was the original day for the motion to be heard before you prior to its removal. You set it for today for me to get information to the prosecutor and them an opportunity to respond. I have sent my motion and documentation to Mr. Carr, and after presenting that, and I believe that my suspicion was correct, that there was a dismissal and it was just docketed wrong, or the information was placed wrong in the register of actions, because since I filed the motion, I got further documentation showing it was actually dismissed. My client paid a fine, and that was treated as either a set aside of a default or a bond or whatever. Long story short, Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. Carr has no objection to the court granting the motion to set aside the judgment and to enter a new dismissal.
All right, Attorney Carr, let me hear from you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, I received the documentation. Mr. Schwartz just described his motion along with other supporting documents. Had a chance to review those, and after reviewing those documents, speaking with Mr. Schwartz, the people are not opposed to the motion at this time and not opposed to dismissal.
All right, thank you. Thank you to the parties. I do want you to know I inherited this case, and so, Mr. Schwartz, that's why my recommendation was that we set it for hearing on today. I am going to set aside the judgment, and then I am going to dismiss the matter without prejudice. Anything else for my consideration?
Only that we would ask, which I know it's going to be done anyway, that it be abstracted to the Secretary of State as soon as possible, because he's been without his license all this time. And we're hopeful that once they get that abstract, not hopeful, we know once that abstract goes to the Secretary of State, his license is going to be reinstated.
All right, thank you. And that certainly will happen, counsel. Thank you all for your patience. And I believe that ends this proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. As soon as I get the paperwork,
Thank you,
Mr. Asani, I'll send it to you. Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate your time, and thank you,
All right.
Mr. Carr.
Take care, everyone.
All right, thank you all. Take care. All right, there you go. All right.